How to log into Workday account. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. Open any of your web browser. Here we go. At the top you will see the search box over there. Go to the search box and type in Workday login and search for it. Now over here you are going to find different website. Click on the very first one. Open it. Now go to the hamburger icon. Here you can see Workday Adaptive Planning, Workday Peek On, Workday Extend and Workday Community. I'll simply go on Workday Adaptive Planning. After that, you will land on this kind of page. Over here, you have to type in username or email and password and then tap on the option of sign in. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on this option to recover your password. If you want to save your login info, you can check for this option, remember username. After you fill all of these, tap on the option of sign in and with that, you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can log into the Workday account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again in the next video.